Hey, Sam back here, welcome to this video, and I'm excited today to show you in action Script Engage 2.0. This is the new version of Script Engage. This launched last year. It made quite a few sales, which was really good, and since then we've made a number of improvements to the software. We've redone the UI to make it a lot easier to use, a lot easier on the eyes as well. We've added in a ton more templates. We've also built in a completely new editor to edit scripts and add in different sections to scripts. Not only that, we've also added in a number of additional new scripts, and we're adding in 5 pre-filled avatars for people to use to basically get started using the software faster than they could previously. Now, this software works in a number of different ways. First of all, your subscribers will jump in here. They'll be able to click on New Avatar and create an avatar. Now, this avatar is basically their target market. What they're doing is they're telling their telling the software who their audience is and why they would want to buy their particular product. The great thing about this, and why it's a lot better than many of the softwares you may have seen when it comes to creating scripts, is that it actually guides people through it really easily and step by step. It tells them what they should be adding in, what content should be added in, and they can save it, they can come back to it later, they can edit it if they want, and then they can apply this avatar in all of their different and future scripts that they create. They can also do this for multiple different products, upsells, downsells, front-end products, email swipes. They'll be able to generate all kinds of copy and all sorts of different avatars depending on what kind of target market they have. Here's a completed avatar, so you can see all the different information added in here. Now, this usually takes about 10 minutes to complete the avatar process, and then from there, once the avatar is completed, once this information has been filled out, your subscriber will simply go to Generate Script and choose the script that's right for their promotion. Now, inside of the training, we've got some information resources on choosing what's going to be right for any particular promotion. It's likely your customers will be moving towards a funnel script, sales page script, VSL. We've got plenty of those. We've also got email swipes, e-commerce scripts, and all sorts through this. And they've all got different categories as well to help your subscriber to find what they're looking for. So first of all, we're going to click on the funnel scripts. We're going to choose internet marketing. We're doing bulk publisher today. This was the last launch that Justin and I launched that did $300,000. And what we're doing is we're going and choosing our scripts. So we could either choose from a squeeze page template, a squeeze page video template, long form sales letter script, short form sales letter script, free book giveaway script, small ticket sales letter, order form script, thank you script, and an opt-in video script. So let's go, for example, and see the long form sales letter script. If we click on this, what it's going to do is it's currently generating this script for us. Now, this script has been generated and it's now ready for editing. So this is the final step of the process. The software has generated the script. It has a headline here, and if you want to, your subscribers will be able to easily edit any part of this that they want to. They can read through this and make sure that it reads correctly. And if there's anything that they want to change or add, they can delete it, they can add it in, they could type it if they really want to, and customize this sales page till it's 100% right within this system. Now, one of the newest features with Script Engage 2.0 is this feature right here. So say, for example, if we wanted to add in something else, say a sub-headline. Sometimes you might want to add a headline ahead of the headline. We'll name our script. And we could click on Add Section, and it now has all of these different templates. So if we clicked on Pre-Headline, it's got a bunch of already pre-written for bulk publisher pre-headlines that could be added in based on the information we gathered in the avatar. So we could add a sub-headline there, we could shrink it if we wanted to, and this is basically preparing it for our designer to build it, or preparing it for us to add into a website builder or a sales page builder such as Igloo, or another sales page builder like ClickFunnels. If we go down, we could also add in a different section here, for example. So go up, click Add Section. We can go back and choose some bullet points. If we wanted to add some bullet points in, we could choose Solution Framework Benefits. If we felt like we needed to add some more benefits in there, we could do that. And we can customize this as we want. Now, after your user has gone through and checked that everything is okay, once your subscriber has done that, they can save the script. And then once they've done that, they can then export the script to either a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation, or a Word document. Now, the other way they could do this is through the dashboard. So they could actually go over here, for example, click on this, and then all of the export functions are right here. They could also import it or export it to Google Docs and a Word. So the Google Docs would be useful if you're, have a partner or have a client which you're working with. You could actually export it to Google Docs and have the client added to that to discuss the script itself, which is really quite useful. You can then duplicate the script, you can edit it, or if you wanted to, you could actually create a new avatar and build a bunch of other templates off that as well if you wanted to. Now let me show you a couple of other scripts. So we've got headline scripts, we've got high ticket scripts, phone scripts, OTO scripts, we've got all sorts of different scripts for local businesses, and all of these will be generated. Now obviously, depending on the information you've added into the avatar, your script selection will be based on that. So if you've added in, for a local business, for example, you'd probably want to write in the avatar as your target market being, a cafe. If you're a local business, maybe you're targeting cafes or something like that. But here's an example of an opt-in script. So we've got the name field, we've got the email field, the submit button. We would enter in our form here for people to register, and then these are all of the other details you'd want to add in. So you can pass this on to your designer, you could use it in ClickFunnels, copy and paste it into ClickFunnels. You've got your subheadline, you've got your main headline, all generated within the software within a few clicks. Let's go back and generate some more scripts. So we've got webinar scripts, we've got joint venture scripts, e-commerce scripts. These e-commerce scripts could be, for example, we've got here a software. Maybe we're doing a software, an e-commerce software. It'll generate a e-commerce based software script. Now for these particular e-commerce, for example, you'd have clothing, you'd have a range of other scripts. And we're still updating some of these scripts leading up to launch, but you get the point of how these work. You've also advertising scripts. Also we'll do OTO scripts. So we might do internet marketing. We'll go and have a look through here. We've got order form script, thank you page script, long form sales letter script for a upgrade. So this would be an OTO 1, for example, or an OTO 2. And there we are again. It's generated the script for that. Now, all of these scripts have been professionally written by a copywriter. We actually had a professional write these up. We've got training that takes your customers through every step of the way in creating these scripts as well. And the first time that this was launched, there wasn't much activity. It was during a busy time of the year. Not that many people took this offer up, but those that did took it up at a really high rate. So it converted really well, and people have been really happy with the software, which is a really good sign going into now the Script Engage 2.0 launch. So I encourage you to go down below, find out all of the details about this software, sign up down below, and this will definitely be a software that you want to promote. It fills a big need in the marketplace because everyone needs a script software like this to create sales scripts, unless they want to learn how to do it themselves or pay thousands of dollars to a copywriter to do it for them. This is a simple solution, easy to use, and it'll do the trick for them. Cool, thanks for listening. This is Sam Baker. I'll talk to you soon.